Hello students, we are going to continue with our integrated grammar given in your book of Bravia, and today we are going to continue with page number 162 related to the topic rearrange the sentences. Now we are going to go through part C. Here the jumble words are Jai Singh, Pakka Dam, Amanni Shah Nulla Maharaja got a constructed. Now, first of all, we should know that the first letter will be capital. So, what we have to write? Jai Singh. Jai Singh is the Maharaja. So, let us start. Maharaja. Maharaja. Notice class, here Maharaja, M is written in small letter, but you have to mention it in capital 1. Maharaja Jai Singh. Maharaja Jai Singh, the name is always is in capital as it is a proper noun, got a Pakka dam. Here you can mention as it is given in brackets. Amanni Shah Nulla, bracket closed, constructed. Full stop will be added. Let's read the sentence again. Maharaja Jai Singh got a Pakka dam that is called Amanni Shah Nulla constructed. Okay, किसने बनाया था ये पक्का डैम? That was constructed by Maharaja Jai Singh. Next is being the whole of in spite of desert is a very Rajasthan colorful place. Now, in order to frame a correct sentence, first you should know the meaning of the given words, and after recognizing the meaning, just try to just assemble them in a series so that they give a correct sense. So here we will add up in spite of being a desert, एक मरुस्थल होने के बावजूद भी, कॉमा, the whole of Rajasthan, सारा राजस्थान. Now we are utilizing this space. The whole of Rajasthan is a very colorful place. Third sentence is festivals happily celebrate vary their day. So अब वो अपने फेस्टिवल्स को बहुत खुशी से मनाते हैं. So they celebrate their festivals very happily. Okay, so we will write here later on. Let's frame the next sentence first. Wear and silver jewelry, they colorful dresses. Now अब कलरफुल ड्रेसेस को वो वियर करते हैं और साथ में क्या पहनते हैं? सिल्वर ज्वेलरी. सो दे वियर कलरफुल ड्रेसेस and silver jewelry. So let us write in the given lines. Likewise, we have added the correct sentences here. They celebrate their festivals very happily. Next is they wear colorful dresses and silver jewelry. Now let's move on the next page. Page number is 163. Now we are going to do part D. Here it is given of nuclear bomb of war has changed the invention, the definition. Now this paragraph is related to nuclear bombs, and now the correct sentence will be made. The invention, किसकी खोज? The invention of nuclear bomb. The invention of nuclear bomb has changed, बदल दिया है. क्या बदल दिया है न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब की इन्वेंशन ने? The invention of nuclear bomb has changed the definition of war. जो लड़ाई है उसकी परिभाषा ही बदल दी है, क्योंकि न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब के यूज़ के बाद तो कुछ भी नहीं बचता. सो वी कैन एड अप हियर लेटर ऑन. नेक्स्ट इज wars for years used to previously go on. Now previously, पहले क्या होता था? previously wars used to go on for years. previously wars used to go on for years. पहले जो लड़ाइयाँ हैं वो कई साल चलती थी. थर्ड सेंटेंस वी कैन फ्रेम इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर. single nuclear bomb thousands now can kill and destruction cause. So now, अब क्या है? now. So now a single nuclear bomb can kill. now we can add up can kill. क्या मार सकता है? thousands and cause destruction. Okay. The fourth sentence is possess weapons nuclear many countries. Now many countries possess nuclear weapons. Okay, weapons होता है बेटा हथियार. This class we have added the invention of nuclear bomb has changed the definition of war. Second is previously wars used to go on for years. कई सालों के लिए लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी जाती थी. And the third one is now a single nuclear bomb can kill thousands and cause destruction. अब एक सिंगल न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब जो है वो कई हज़ार लोगों को मार सकता है और बहुत तबाही मचा सकता है. The next correct sentence is many countries possess nuclear weapons.